All right, this is Reggie with the rest of the A-Team. We are in Home Depot and we're buying appliance paint, and just want to give you guys a quick tip on what we usually buy. These are my top three. Sebastian, you have this one here. That is the cheaper one you can buy, the white paint you can buy. That's $1.38. I probably almost never buy that unless I'm in a pinch, because it's very watery. I don't like the finish, and it seems like it peels easy too. It doesn't bond very well. So you get what you pay for when it comes to that one. Appliance Proxy, Antonio. So we have Appliance Proxy, made for appliances. Appliance paint looks good, does the job, but and that one cost $4.50. So, which is a good value. But the one I like the most is this here, this Rust-Oleum paint and primer in one, the glossy one. And that one I like because it's a smooth finish when it goes on, and also the nozzle design is less likely to clog. It is $2 more, $6.50, but for me it's worth the investment, outside of using my paint sprayer. So those are the top three for me when it comes to appliance paint. If you have any comments, questions, feel free to leave them below, and we'll see you in the next video. Say bye, guys.